In this video we will show you how to install a stock fence with wood posts. Mark the post locations, spacing them 2 to 3 meters apart. Place 1/3 of each wood post into the holes, and add gravel to secure them. Brace all end and corner posts. To secure the stock fence to the first end post, cut the vertical wires, then wrap and knot the horizontal wires around the post. Add staples for extra hold. Unroll the mesh and stretch it with a stretcher tool. Cut and secure it to the other end post in the same way. Staple the mesh to the middle posts. For extra security, you can add barbed wire along the top.